Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Barclaycard. Follow my simple steps to learn how to log into your Barclaycard. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe for more similar videos. Now, let's proceed to the video. First of all, go to your browser and default search engine. Then, search Barclaycard login. Click the first link that shows up, or go to www.barclaycard.co. UK. It will then take you to the official website of Barclaycard. Click Login from the top right corner of the page. After the page is completely loaded, enter your username or N-digit ID number. You can also log in with your 16-digit card number. To make login easier for next time, you can click on Remember these details, but I do not recommend doing it on a public computer. Once you have entered your login credentials, press Next. And if you're new to Barclaycard, you can register your new account from here. That's all for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video. If you guys find our video helpful, do subscribe to us on our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys in the next video, bye bye.